In the last episode, we created a Docker container and a Docker container for Postgres and for the web application. But then when we finished, we didn't really push the Docker image to the Docker Hub. And now in this episode, I'm gonna show you how to push the image to a Docker Compose, to Docker Hub. So if we go back to the command line, so this is the host operating system, Docker PS will show you all the containers that are currently running. So we need to commit this. We need to push up this py answers / docker dj docker latest. So the build is already complete. But if we want to build it again, as when we change something inside the container and want to build the application, then we can do docker build -t to target this and build from this current directory. So if you do dot, it's going to build it from that current directory. So let's try that. So it's building it, which is pretty much the same thing we do when we run docker compose compose up -- build. That's the same output we're going to get. But in this case, we're just building the application, and when we are done, we are going to create and push up the image to the Docker registry, my Docker registry, Docker Hub account. Then it's going to be made public. So whenever if you want to clone this image and use it to test on your local environment, you're free to do that. So it tagged it as Python answer by answer / Django DJ Docker latest. So I can now do, I'll copy this, Docker images to see the images we have there. So that's one we're going to be committing, and then I'm going to do docker login. So it logged me in, but if I didn't have my credentials configured within the my dev environment, it would have asked me to log in, provide my username and password, then it can log me in to the Docker Hub. So from this point, I can do run docker push and put my next namespace plus the container image, and then with a tag of latest push. So while it's running, I'm going to drag over my Docker account, Docker Hub account. So if I refresh this, when it's done, I'll see so that's it has committed the folder just the content, the image just a few seconds ago. So here it's done, and that's it.